Camille. Welcome back to our kitchen show! Alright guys, so for today's video, we are going to be making a cake. Baking time, go! Baking time! We should have like our own Disney Channel show, huh guys? Because it is Valentine's Day today, so we're gonna celebrate with making a heart-shaped cake, strawberry flavor. So let's just get started. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna first start off with wearing gloves because, you know, sanitary. You hurry up! Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. I did already. 2, right. 1. Not done. You're gonna cook your hands on. Done. Alright, so to prep, I already set the oven to 350 degrees and I cut out this pan thing and I put parchment paper in. Oh, we have to put the pan on. I mean, not the pan. The coconut oil. How do you do this? Do you put it on top of this?
I don't know, you're the one with the directions.
Oh. Sanitary, right? It's okay, right?
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna set those aside for now. Alright, so then next I'm just going to get the big bowl, right? Alright, so let's see what the love Dr. Mia has in store, huh? So you're gonna need 1/2 cup of butter. How much are the sizes? How many cups? So 2 sticks. Alright, so you're gonna get 2 sticks of butter because that is equal to 1 cup. Alright, and then you're gonna put that in here.
Doesn't say like microwave or anything, just put it in there.
Well, I don't put it says softened, but I mean, it's already like kind of ready? Because stop it! 1 3/4 cups of sugar. So cut the sugar.
Do we need like the trash?
Okay. My hands are filled with butter. My hands are filled with butter. You hold it up for me and then I'll cut it.
I'll just do it. How much do you need?
1 3/4 cups of sugar. So just 1 whole cup.
Yes, I know. 3/4. Jeez. Not that hard.
And 1 cup of sugar. Ooh, yes.
Now it's 3/4 because everything went around.
What? Really?
Okay, come on.
And then you're gonna mix it for 1 minute.
Alright, ready?
And start! I need a careful! Alright, I think it needs to be soft. I think the butter needed to be soft. No, do you have it on the highest level?
No, I didn't. I have it on the lowest.
I'm like, well, duh.
You want it on the highest?
Yeah, and it says it needs to be on highest because it needs to break it. But hold on, stop. You need to stop!
Don't think it's supposed to look like this.
Yeah, hold on. Mix until the mixture is very smooth. Oh, no, not yet. It's not supposed to be smooth yet.
Okay, good.
Okay, then add oil.
Woo! Yeah. Mix it in.
Alright, so it says in a separate bowl, mix the cake flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
I don't think we needed gloves.
Yeah, that's why I took mine out. We don't have cake flour, so we're just going to use all-purpose flour. It said you can use cornstarch to add, but we don't have cornstarch, so hopefully we're just going to have to do that.
Cups.
Cups of flour?
You need to sift it.
What the does sift mean?
You know the colador?
Oh
You like. You don't need to do that. I mean, if you want your cake to come out good, you know, for Valentine's Day. You know, on those like baking shows, and they're like, you're using measurements. It's better to weigh it.
What the? What do I need now?
2 teaspoons.
Teaspoon. 2?
Yes.
Is this a tablespoon or a teaspoon?
It's a teaspoon. Tablespoons.
Oh, with the B. Okay. Oh, this is new, huh? Oh no. It's not open. So 2 of these, right?
Yes.
I like baking. Do you? Comment down below. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. 1 teaspoon?
Yes. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Lifting it up. That's whatever.
Oh.
Grinding lemon sugar plus 2 tablespoons.
Huh?
1 cup. You're gonna mix these 2 later. Because you have to make that first and then you're gonna mix it all together.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
That's too much! So I guess just like I don't even know how to like
measure them?
Yeah, like how do you measure like 3/4 of a puree? Like hello. Oh, it says about 1 and 1. has about 1 1/2 cups of whole ripe berries. Ah, so it's supposed to be this.
1 and
Let's just take that out of here.
we got some thickies.
I think it's just like 4. Okay, so that's 4 strawberries, right?
Yeah.
So then I think like maybe like yeah, just do that, and then hopefully I think that should be good.
Okay, wish me luck.
Good luck.
Grind or low or high?
No, it's puree. Oh, it says right here, dumbass.
Oh,
Puree. This is teaspoon, right? We need tablespoons. How many teaspoons are tablespoons?
I don't know.
That's puree, right? Oh my God. Wait, let me show them how they hold it. Ori. Okay, I think that's enough. You can make a smoothie.
Oh my gosh. How am I gonna make a smoothie with just strawberry and sugar? That's
Woo! Our first time having vanilla extract. Pure,
Pure,
pure. Look how fun that is. Ooh, girl. Okay, that's 1. Strawberry puree time. Ready? Woo! How do I open this?
like
to open. Press here. Oh, it opened. Just like before, right?
Yeah.
It looks like straw. Alia, let me do it right. I'm scared. We did the straw. Like, why does it look like that?
What if you did put too much puree?
Oh my, Alia.
It tastes bomb as fuck, man. Okay.
It's starting to actually look like a battery, guys. Not gonna lie. So I think we did it right, huh? Alia, this is like freaking like. This is like authentic. Trust the process, guys. Soft and good.
Bitch.
That's like natural.
Wait, you can actually taste
Want
like.
some? So now we're just gonna pour the cake mixture into the pan. Oh, look how good that looks, guys. This is so cool. This is what bakers do.
Yeah.
Look, I'm a baker.
All right, guys, put it in the oven. Oh yes, that's how it looks.
Woo!
My sister's gonna put it in because I'm too scared to put it in.
It said put it in the middle rack. Do you put it in the middle rack?
No.
Then take it out. Careful with your hand and put it in the middle rack. Jesus Christ.
I mean, we don't have a middle. Stop it, Brianna.
Oh, that's good. All right. Hey guys, so look at how the came. This is a square one. It came out really nice, very cute. All right, so now I'm just gonna flip it on here. I don't have a cooling rack, so hopefully this will work. Oh, perfect, bitch.
It looks so like nasty.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All greased up, beautiful. Throw that in the dishwasher, and the dishwasher that doesn't exist, huh? That's cool. Okay.
That one came out lighter.
Yeah. I don't know if I had to do it with the pan.
You know what? Yeah, it probably has to do with the
You really
pans.
think so? Gosh. Ooh!
Hot dog, hot dog, hot
Diggity dog. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to start making the frosting. So I'm going to use exactly one stick of butter. I'm going to use half of this. It's just basic cream cheese plain. Woo, girl! I just like move that with my finger. Drop it like a hat. Drop it like a hat. Alright guys, so now we're just going to get our strawberry jam, and I'm going to get a spoon. And this is 1/4 cup. Now we're just going to pour that in there. And then 1 pinch of salt. Woo, girl, you know I love me a little pinch of salt. Pinch. Mix it on low real quick. It says 4 to 6 cups, guys. Can you believe that? Do low first and then. Shawty go low. Alright guys, so I don't have a freaking big ass plate, so I'm just gonna use this thing and just leave it on the table. This piece. Here. Oh my god, that's actually cute. What the fuck? And I'm just gonna throw that in. Like that. Perfectissimo. Oh, do you guys see it? Come here. Come from this side. Come on this side.
Oh,
Look how cute
yeah.
that is.
And then look at put it on the table.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna get a bit of that frosting. Put that on the cake. I'm just gonna rub that all over the cake. So it's nice and even, nice and even. I'm excited, Leah, to eat this. So the cake is really looking nice. And I bought these red decorating icing from Wilton at Target. And I bought these really cute piping like things, right? So I'm going to do a really cute design. I'm going to say I love you and do a little decoration here. And then we can eat the funny. Look at that. What should I put first? I love you or the...
I think I love you and then...
Oh yeah, okay. I'm scared. No. And I love you.
Yeah.
Okay. I always wanted to like buy stuff when I was younger like this, but we had no money. That's true. I'm excited. Ooh, I feel like such... I'm like, cake boss, hire me. Woo!
Oh, but you kind of
Chef
brown.
Ramsay. I'm right next door. Okay, ready? So let's do one. Come on, let's start. Ready? Hurry. I'm scared. Oh, I messed up already. Oh yeah, that's cute.
Even it out, girlfriend. Getting it prepped for I love you. I love you.
So now I'm gonna practice saying I love you first, right?
Sing?
I love you.
Ooh.
Don't worry. Whoa, that love though. That love again.
Ew.
Okay, I love you.
How do you have subscribers?
Yo, I love yo, mama. I like.
You're disgusting.
It's scarier than me. Give me some.
What go around? My cake looks so cute. I love you. Now the complete cake,
You
guys.
should put XOXO.
What do you think? Comment down below. Right now.
Nice, so smooth. Oh, what?
My dick in my asshole.
I'm like, cake boss, hire me.
Oh, but you kind of
Chef
brown.
Ramsay. I'm right next door.